He biting down on his wrist.
Dude, you are just all over the place. Hey, Cynthia. Cynthia. What's that?
Okay, I'll take a break. I'll be right back. We'll be right back.
Oh, he's scooting. Look at this boy.
He know to move his feet too. See him moving up. Bite his toe.
He gonna flip over in a minute. Look at him. Oh my God, dude. You are something else. You are something else, little boy. Look at you. Get up on your knees again. Look at you up on your knees.
Today, I'm a writer and working on a screenplay.